Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to debug your Flutter application in your iOS device. So first thing is open your Xcode, select Window, select Devices and Simulators. So here in my case, I connected my iOS device using Thunderport and click Disconnect via network. But before this, you need to enable the developer mode on your iOS device. So to do that, go to your settings, privacy and security, select the developer mode and press on. Once you on your developer mode, your iOS device will restart. Then after this, open your Flutter application. In my case, I already run this Flutter application. So here, I will type Flutter run. You can also select other device, but by default, I'm using my iPhone for debugging. When you first time running this, you will see a prompt that it will record your MacBook password. In my case, I select the always allow so that the prompt will not always pop up. Here we have an error that says untrusted developer. So to fix this, you need to trust the app first. So to do that, go to your general, VPN and device, then click this, then press trust, and after that, run the Flutter again. Select allow. As you can see, our Flutter app is running on my iOS device, and make sure your wireless connection in your iOS device is same from your Mac. As you can see, I'm connected on this Wi-Fi name and also to my iOS device. So let's test our app. So as you can see, our project is running on iOS. So like sample, change this. Hello world. Then press R to hot reload. As you can see, the results are changing. Then press. Also, we can also debug this. Hot start. Then change undo again. And hot restart. If you encounter this error, you need to run again your Flutter run. change it. We will remove the false, then hot reload. So you can see it's easy to debug here. You can also test that on your iOS device. So that's all guys, thanks for watching.